Today we will learn very short and useful sentences that will help you to speak English faster. This video is very useful for kids and parents as well. Are you ready? Let's begin. Ask me. Ask me. Speak up. Speak up. You can use it when children are talking softly in the conversation. A lot of times kids scream out loud and then you should say, speak softly. Speak softly. Speak slowly. Speak slowly. Don't shout. Don't shout. Keep quiet. Keep quiet. Don't be loud. Don't be loud. Stop talking. Stop talking. Many times children ask various types of questions. Then you can say, don't ask. Don't ask. But in my opinion, you should always encourage your child to ask questions. When kids sit down to read, you can use these sentences. Don't mumble. Don't mumble. Study here. Study here. Use your mind. Use your mind. Think about it. Think about it. Don't cry again. Don't cry again. Do so. Do so. Watch carefully. Watch carefully. Hold the line. Hold the line. Try again. Try again. Sit up straight. Sit up straight. When the child having their meal, then you can use these sentences. Have food. Have food. Have water. Have water. Eat slowly. Eat slowly. Chew well. Chew well. When kid is sleeping, you can use these sentences. Get up. Get up. Wake up. Wake up.